The $1.5 trillion tax cut plan the House passed last week isn't a tax cut for everyone. In fact, Michigan State has sent a letter to graduate students warning them about the tax reform plan. As Chelsea Snyder explains, that warning has master's and PhD candidates worried about how they're going to afford to pay higher taxes when they don't make very much money.
People are panicking, basically.
And Sarah Bajani is dealing with a lot of them. She's the union president for Michigan State's graduate employees, and she's trying to answer their questions about a proposal to tax their tuition forgiveness as income.
It has the potential to absolutely devastate across the country what graduate education looks like.
Basically, if grad students get $30,000 in tuition forgiven because they're teaching classes, the IRS would tax that money. A graduate or PhD student making $20,000 in salary would now be taxed as if they're getting paid $50,000.
You know, I'm being punished for bettering myself, and you're taking opportunity away from us.
Amanda Reyes is one of those students. She's working on her master's and wondering if it would even be worth pursuing a doctorate at that price.
It's scary, to be honest. You know, I'm going to have to spend the rest of my life to try to pay this off.
Republicans, like Congressman Mike Bishop, say there'll have to be trade-offs to pay for the tax cuts and that it will benefit all students over time.
If you look at it as a whole and how it applies to each and every one of them, if you focus in on one deduction, one credit, you'll be disappointed.
And that was Chelsea Snyder reporting. MSU and other universities are worried that taxing tuition forgiveness will cause grad students to drop out, and that could force professors to leave if they get pulled away from their research to teach more classes. The bill also eliminates the lifelong learning tax credit, which currently allows graduate students to deduct education expenses.